Welcome to the Top Foreign channel. Discover how to earn $300 per day effortlessly with Writesonic, even if you're a complete beginner. This website will handle all the work for you, and I'll guide you through the entire process step by step. In the description box below, you'll find all the necessary links mentioned in this tutorial. I'll provide you with everything you need to know to start using Writesonic and turn it into a profitable work-from-home business. Join me and start making money online quickly. If you're interested in my personal autopilot method for online earnings, click the second link in the description box or visit sapsupercharger.com. Without further delay, let's begin. First and foremost, what is Writesonic? It's an incredible AI bot that can generate written content within minutes. Just give it the topic or niche you want to write about, and it will deliver exceptional content. What's even more impressive is that Writesonic caters to various writing needs, whether you require a blog post, social media content, or an advertisement for a new product. The best part is that you don't need any prior experience with complex software or AI to use it. Writesonic is remarkably user-friendly and intuitive, allowing you to dive right in without worrying about technicalities. I've personally used it a few times, and I must admit, I'm thoroughly impressed with its simplicity. All you have to do is provide the topic or niche, and Writesonic handles the rest. It employs advanced algorithms and machine learning to generate high-quality, informative, and engaging content. What's even better is that you have full control over the content. You can tweak and edit it as much or as little as you desire until you're satisfied with the final result. This gives you the opportunity to add your own personal touch to the content and ensure that it precisely meets your requirements. In my honest opinion, Writesonic is an incredible tool for individuals who want to create outstanding written content without spending hours on it. It's efficient, effective, and extremely user-friendly, allowing you to start right away and produce amazing content in no time. Today, I'll demonstrate how you can utilize this remarkable tool to generate substantial earnings. Step 1. Sign up for Writesonic. Let's get you registered for Writesonic, a quick and simple process that only takes a few minutes. Head over to the Writesonic website and click on the Get Started button in the top right corner. You'll be prompted to enter your email address and choose a password, or you can sign up with OTP if you prefer. Once you've provided your email and selected a password, click on the Sign Up button. Once your account is set up, you can immediately start generating content. It's truly that easy. Step 2. Generate an article using the Chatbot feature. Fantastic! Now that you've signed up for Writesonic, we can proceed to the next step of our method. Writesonic offers a variety of tools and features, but today we'll focus on one of my favorites, Chatbot. Chatbot is an AI-powered chatbot integrated into the Writesonic platform. It's designed to assist you in generating content through natural language conversations. Here's how it works. When you're logged into your Writesonic account, search for Chatbot to access the feature. Once you find it, you can start chatting with the bot just as you would with a human. You can ask Chatbot to generate content on a specific topic or niche, and it will utilize advanced algorithms and machine learning to create high-quality, informative, and engaging content. You can even provide feedback, and Chatbot will adjust its output based on your preferences. What's really impressive about Chatbot is that it's like having your own personal writing assistant available at all times. You can chat with it whenever and wherever you like, and it will help you create content tailored to your specific needs. Whether you're a blogger, marketer, or business owner, Chatbot can streamline your content creation process and save you time and effort. Step 3. Choose an offer to promote on AppBank. Now let's discuss how you can actually earn money with Chatbot. As mentioned earlier, Chatbot is an AI-powered chatbot that can generate high-quality written content for you within minutes. Here's the exciting part. You can utilize this content to promote products and earn commissions. So, how do you get started? First, you'll need to find products to promote. A great place to start is AppBank, an affiliate marketing platform that connects promoters like yourself with product owners seeking promotion. Once you're logged into AppBank, browse through the available offers and select one that suits your audience. Once you've chosen an offer, obtain your unique affiliate link that will track any sales back to you, enabling you to earn a commission. Step 4. Generate content using Chatbot. Now let's say you've chosen to promote a fitness subscription service. All you need to do is use Chatbot to generate the content for you. When it comes to fitness, there are countless topics you can explore with Chatbot. For example, you can request an article on the benefits of regular exercise, highlighting the physical and mental advantages such as reducing the risk of chronic diseases, improving mood, and boosting energy levels. You can also ask Chatbot to generate an article on how to stay motivated to work out, offering tips and strategies for maintaining fitness goals, such as setting realistic objectives, finding a workout buddy, or trying new forms of exercise for variety and interest. No matter the specific topic you choose, Chatbot can assist in generating a high-quality article that engages your audience. The best part is that you have the flexibility to tweak and edit the content according to your preferences, ensuring it aligns with your brand's voice and style. Step 5 are publish the article on Medium. To promote your service, we'll utilize Medium. Medium is a popular online publishing platform that allows anyone to create and share articles on various topics. With over 60 million active monthly readers, Medium is an excellent platform for promoting your content and reach a wide audience. To begin with Medium, you'll need to create an account. Once that's done, you can start crafting your article. This is where the content generated by Chatbot becomes valuable. Simply copy and paste the article into Medium and give it an attention-grabbing title. It's recommended to include images or videos to enhance engagement and visual appeal. Next, you'll need to incorporate your affiliate link from AppBank into your article. This step is crucial as it enables you to earn commissions on sales made through your affiliate link. You can either hyperlink text within your article or include the link separately, ensuring it is prominently displayed for easy access by readers. By posting on Medium, you tap into a community of readers who have diverse interests, including fitness. This means there's a good chance your article will be seen by individuals already interested in fitness and seeking ways to improve their health. Remember, the more views and reads your article receives on Medium, the greater exposure your AppBank affiliate link will get. This increases the likelihood of people clicking on your link and potentially making a purchase, resulting in more earnings for you. The best part is that Chatbot does the heavy lifting for you. That's how you can utilize this incredible AI bot to generate income online. If you're interested in more AI-related tutorials on making money online, be sure to subscribe to this channel with notifications turned on. Thank you.